Here's a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Nice looking two-door hardtop. Particular car is powered by a 455 underneath the hood. That is teamed up with an automatic transmission. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes, has HEI ignition on it. Has a Proform 750 4-barrel carburetor, headers. So we got some power underneath the hood. The one thing I want to make you aware of, and price reflects it, we did notice at certain RPMs, you won't notice it idling. A little later when I start it up, we check out the engine bay. But 2 to 2,500 RPMs, there is a noise. Sounds like it's in the lower of this 455. Just want to make you aware of that. I will start it up. You can hear the thing run and everything. We just noticed it when it did have some RPMs given to it. Now this particular car comes with a Protecto plate, the original Protecto plate. There's also the original bill of sale from 1971 when this car was sold new. That's in the glove box. A little bit more under the hood. Forgot, aluminum radiator's been added. This does have 3 08 gears in the rear with a 12-bolt posi. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, check out the engine bay, interior, undersides, feel free to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on that. That's going to take you right there. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Color of this car is medium rose metallic. I'll show you something kind of cool when I get it over to the driver's side too. The old Johnny Lightning car that this one resembles and is a tribute to. Show you that also, and we'll put that in the glove box and include with the sale. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. See the dual exhaust coming off those headers. I'd say the paint, it's a driver quality paint. It's not going to be a trailer queen, but nice looking paint on it. You will find a few nicks, scratches. I noticed one in the wing right back here. 442 styled wing. Once again, those still pictures, check them out on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click right on that. That's going to take you straight there. As you can see, it's riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels. Car pretty straight up and down it. See, it could use the driver's side door lock, needs to be installed there. But again, kind of priced accordingly to reflect a little TLC to make this a fun car. Alright, check out the interior. So we got black buckets, center console, seat belts are still installed. Sometimes we see those get pulled out. And this also would have the shoulder harnesses. And check out the headliner. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. So here, run. Great starting car. As you can see, it does have dash mounted tach. It is working. Aftermarket stereo has been added. Dash is in nice shape. Little aftermarket temp gauge was added below down there also, make you aware of that. This is what I want to show you, a little Johnny Lightning. Yeah, a little Johnny Lightning model. Some white deck or hood stripes on this one. Put on some chrome Kragers, be pretty similar, but Johnny Lightning, the Johnny Retro collection. I want to show you that. Goes with the car, similar to the car's look. Slip around in the back. Nice rumble, that 455 underneath the hood. to slip up front. We'll pause this video a second, and I'm going to pop the hood, and we'll check out the engine bay. Take a look at it. Alright, so we got the hood popped. Here's that 455. Again, power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition, headers, Proform 750 4-barrel. Pretty tidy engine bay. There you go. Whoops, sorry about that. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass. 2-door hardtop, 455 underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Where you can see the still pictures, or like I said, down below this video in the description. Click on the link, it's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.